Have you ever wondered about the magic that lies behind everyday things? Today we embark on an enchanting journey to explore the magic behind ordinary things that we encounter every day. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the hidden secrets and reveal the science and wonder behind these seemingly mundane phenomena. From the captivating allure of rainbows to gravity-defying objects, and much more. Welcome to Hidden Secrets, decoding the everyday magic around us.
Take the time to free your mind, do everything you can. So don't get it, don't let it.
Number 1. Pop into the world of popcorn, where we explore why this popular snack pops. Each popcorn kernel is like a tiny pressure inside. There's a small amount of water surrounded by a tough shell. When heated, this water turns into steam. The steam builds up pressure until the kernel can't contain it anymore. It explodes, turning the kernel inside out, and voila, popcorn. So, the magic of popcorn popping is all about heat, steam, and pressure. Number 2. Ever wondered how those beautiful arches of color in the sky form? Well, we're talking about rainbows. This magic in the sky happens when sunlight gets refracted or bent as it enters a water droplet. As it exits, the light is bent again and then reflected, spreading out into its different colors. That's why when it's raining and sunny at the same time, you get to see this wonderful light show. So there you have it. Rainbows, a beautiful spectacle of light playing with water. Number 3, lightning and thunder, a classic duo of nature's soundtrack. But why does thunder always follow lightning? Well, when a lightning bolt travels from the cloud to the ground, it opens up a little path of ionized air that can be as hot as 50,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This rapid heating causes the surrounding air to expand quickly. Then the air cools and contracts in a split second, creating a shockwave. This shockwave travels through the air and reaches our ears as the booming sound of thunder. Thunder is simply nature's way of reacting to the heat of lightning. Number 4. Massive metal machines soaring in the sky. Have you ever pondered how airplanes manage to stay aloft? The answer lies in a delicate equilibrium between two primary forces, lift and gravity. The shape of an airplane's wings, referred to as airfoils, play an instrumental. As air sweeps over the curved top surface, it accelerates, thus creating a zone of lower pressure. Conversely, the air below moves at a slower pace, generating a higher pressure. This contrast in pressure creates lift, propelling the airplane upward, overpowering the force of gravity. Airplanes truly are an engineering marvel that defies gravity. Number 5. Ice cubes in your drink. Have you ever noticed they always float? Let's find out why. It's all down to how water behaves in a unique way. Unlike most substances, water expands when it freezes. This means that ice is actually less dense than the liquid water it forms from. In simpler terms, there's more space between the molecules in ice than in water. This difference in density is what allows our frosty little cubes to happily bob on the surface. Ice floats because it's simply less dense than the water it's in. Number 6. Plants, the world's best chefs. Let's delve into how they whip up their meals. The leaf, the plant's kitchen, houses a fascinating process named photosynthesis. This is where sunlight becomes the fuel, driving the transformation of carbon dioxide and water into glucose, a category of sugar. Glucose nourishes the plant, facilitating its growth and prosperity. A remarkably clever process, wouldn't you say? Plants are truly autonomous, creating their own food employing just sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide. Number 7. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. But why do stars twinkle? Well, it's not because they're shy or they're blinking at us from space. The real reason is a little more down to the light from stars travels through space and then through our planet's atmosphere. As it does, this light is refracted or bent by the layers of our atmosphere. This bending of light, combined with the constant movement of the air, makes the stars appear to twinkle to us here on the ground. So the twinkling of stars is actually due to our own Earth's atmosphere. Number 8. Attraction and repulsion, the mysterious forces of magnets. Ever wondered how they work? Well, it's all about magnetic fields. These are invisible lines that run from a magnet's north pole to its south. When another object enters this field, it experiences the magnet's force. If it's a ferromagnetic material like iron or nickel, it's pulled towards the magnet. That's attraction. If it's another magnet with like poles facing, they push apart. That's repulsion. Magnets, a fascinating force field at play. Number 9. Bouncing balls, a simple yet intriguing phenomenon. Why do balls bounce? It all comes down to a property called elasticity. When a ball hits a hard surface, the material it's made of compresses under the impact, storing energy. This energy then drives the ball to expand back to its original shape, propelling it back into the air. It's this fantastic interplay of force, compression, expansion, and energy release that makes our everyday balls bounce. Bouncing balls, a game of force and elasticity. Number 10. Capturing moments in the blink of an eye. How do cameras do it? Let's dive into the magic of photography. The heart of a camera is its lens, a curved piece of glass or plastic that gathers and focuses light. The lens focuses light rays from different directions onto specific points on the sensor. Each point corresponds to a tiny pixel or dot in the final image. The sensor measures the intensity and color of the light hitting each pixel and translates it into digital data. This data is then processed into the image we see, and that's how cameras capture pictures, freezing moments in time. Cameras freezing time with the power of light.
So, there you have it, the magic of everyday marvels unlocked. Next time you see a rainbow, remember the science behind these seemingly magical phenomena. What do you want to learn next? Comment below.